hospital. Agbamuno last week. If your wife is about to deliver, munya get your mama, get your siblings, get your mother, get your ogoge wine, get your any woman. Nana munya get on a hospital bed. I am now revealing this secret to you because many doctors in the medicine, Faji abego no ogu. Faji abego no ogu. Obulu na nwunye gị chee ịmụ nwa, ọbụna nke bụ nwaanyị na ịchọrọ ịmụ nwa, make ya chọ doctor when mgbe ọ ga-abụ olu say everybody go outside and say no, this person is staying. Ọ nwere ife anya fụrụ gba mme, nya nọdụ di ya. Si nya nọdụ di ya. Make ya chọ na nwunye gị mụsịa nwa, collect your placenta, collect the placenta of your baby. Make ya chọ the placenta of your baby is handed over to you. Make ya chọ you collected it. Ndị a na-agbo kite ji agbo kite. Make sure na rapper when you get you one. None of the rapper is caught. Make sure na caught or the rapper. Rapper ni when you get you one. I must say for you. Say chinyagia. Make sure they handed it over to you because of the glory of your child. I get you where we go keep. Make sure na mwage they be magugu. They be magugu. Well, the content they be telling you. If a baby put a nugu, make sure they hand it over to you or they flush it in the toilet in your very old eyes. Flush in a toilet. Make sure you collect it. Open a waga do tubolo. Waga do tubolo. About tubolo waga adapo. Na waga lugo no tuboli adapo go. Make sure you take that nevel. O tubolo waga. Make sure you bury it by yourself. Make sure you handle it with care. These are the glory of your child. This is the first cut of your child's hair. Make sure you train it with caution. Make sure the first this is the Apolongwage. I want to kill a loogie easy. Whether more brother, whether more brother. Make sure you see a Apolongwage. Make sure you handle it with care. Handle it with care. Magana fafia. Fafia. Indiana go kid. That's why you're good to take it. Some 1 month to each way for the pack. What did you say? Natural material in Najago. On a guy, natural, on a hundred mother, whatever. Search for this thing, search for this thing. Many doctors and nurses are the agent supplying those materials. They are agent supplying those materials. Make your choice. You save your glory, save your child's glory. Magano ofodu ndia ndia na gbe use si oto matakele na nwere ife na eme a paralyze ya abuli imbecile without nothing e ma ife na eme watakele just turn what to imbecile. Make sure you secure your child's future. Make sure na nwunye gị je na theater na jele na labor room ịmụ nwa. Make sure that you are a relative or relative of your wife, not at that very place. Magana ofodu na abu emesianya, beje kutemwa walangu, they exchange it with your child. Onwe loki the energy, a week old baby, when I go. Onwe loki the energy, ulobi watakela amulofo, when I go. Okite. Maka onye obodo na rochi nto okite ịnọdụ n'obodo Igbo ọ dibịa na phone nya gba olugo okite kedu ife oge eli ịchọrọ ịkpata ego by your means, you want to make it by your means. Onye obodo ji enyi wee kwọ ọnya ewerekwa anụ ọzọ ga-agbata. Oh, that's why there are many buried women around Igbo land. Buried. There are many buried women everywhere. Ọ bụ na di gị welu nwa onye ọzọ wee gba okite kedu ka ị ga-esi wee mụta nwa